Roar-ing about lion reproduction. Hey everyone, and welcome to GNP Sir channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of lion reproduction. Lions, the majestic kings and queens of the savannah, have some unique ways of keeping their pride strong. Pride and power. Lions are social cats living in pride with multiple females, one or two dominant males, and their cubs. These females are polyestrous, meaning they can come into heat, estrus, several times a year. There's no fixed breeding season, but it often peaks during favorable weather conditions. The smitten king. When a lioness goes into estrus, she lets out special calls and releases scent markings. The male lion, driven by hormones, will try to mate with her. Frequent flyers. Get ready for some mind-blowing facts. Lions can mate up to 50 times a day during the estrus period, which typically lasts 3-4 days. This frequent mating helps stimulate ovulation in the female and discourages other males from approaching. The waiting game. If breeding is successful, the lioness will have a gestation period of around 110 days. During this time, she'll find a safe den away from the pride to prepare for giving birth. Lionesses typically give birth to a litter of 2-4 cubs, who are blind and helpless at first. They rely solely on their mother's milk for survival for several months. Raising cubs is a group effort in a lion pride. All the females help raise each other's young, while the males protect the pride from danger. Give your suggestions for more topics that you are interested in the comments section. Do not forget to hit the subscribe button. See you in the next video. Bye.